Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Anker Powercore Fusion 10,000 2-in-1 wall charger and power bank. This power bank features a battery with a capacity of 9,700 milliamps, and it doubles as a 20-watt wall charger with fast charging. What I like about this power bank is that it comes with a retractable 2-pin wall plug which plugs straight into the wall, and this is the US style, and once you finish charging with this you just put it back in place. But also it is a wall charger with 20 watts of fast charging. It also comes with a 8 LED battery indicator which will push the button right here, so quite like this. It comes with a USB-C connector and also one USB-A connector. Here's a scenario: you've just bought yourself a nice smartwatch or a new smartphone, and with today's packaging it doesn't come with a wall charger, it only gives you a cable, a charging cable. The problem is 95% or even more of chargers out there use the USB-A connector, and these new devices now come with only USB-C. Yes, USB-C connectors, so you won't be able to charge your smartwatch or your smartphone. So what's the solution? Well, the Anker Powercore Fusion comes with the USB-C connector right here, and also of course USB-A, and now I'm able to use the packaged USB-C cable to plug straight in, and of course I'm able to charge my smartphone or my smartwatch. Not a lot of power banks come with a USB-C connector, and this one has it, and it also doubles as a wall charger, a 20-watt fast charging wall charger. And another thing I really like is it's compact and portable. You can actually carry this with you while you're traveling as well. So let's do a quick unboxing and find out how good this is. See you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Anker Powercore Fusion 10,000. It's a 2-in-1 power bank and wall charger. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. Okay. Alright, we have a carry pouch, and inside is the actual unit. We'll take a look at that in a sec. See what else is inside the box. We also have a USB-A to USB-C cable for your charging, and some information. Let's take a look. We have a leaflet here: happy or not happy. Okay, and we have the user manual here, the Powercore Fusion 10,000. Alright, let's have a look at the unit itself. Alright, it comes with a nice carry pouch, and very nice. Okay, and here we have the actual unit itself. It's got the retractable wall plug here. It's the US style 2-pin plug, and nice thing about it is it's retractable. You plug that straight into the wall and away you go. You can retract that. It's quite nice and compact, however it is quite thick and it is a little bit weighty. And here we have the actual battery indicator here with 8 LEDs. Along here we have the USB-C port here, and also a USB-A port, and that is pretty much it. Now I wish they had an extra USB-A port here, would be nice. I have a USB-C charging cable for my iPhone, and obviously this end here is the lightning and this is USB-C, so I just plug that straight in there and away you go. And I have an extra USB-A port to charge my other devices. And that's a quick unboxing of the Anker Powercore Fusion 10,000 2-in-1 power bank and wall charger. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Anker Powercore Fusion 10,000 2-in-1 power bank and wall charger. It's a portable power bank for charging your smart devices, and it doubles as a 20-watt fast charger. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.